up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She on the road, shorty dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, I'm going to be working with Wig Fever hair. Now, y'all, I've seen this company all over my For You page on TikTok. I told you this is one of the companies I've always been fiending to work with. And y'all, look. And now the day is finally here when I'm finally working with them, y'all. And I am so impressed. First things first, I received a 4x7 Glueless 26-inch body wave wig. And y'all, for 26 inches, this hair is so thick, y'all. First of all, the waves, I feel like this is some different type of body wave hair because, y'all, the way my wand curls was looking, my curls ain't never looked like that when I wand curl hair. Like, I don't know, like, the waves is different. Like, the waves is really hitting in his hair, and his hair is so freaking thick. Like, this is literally giving loose beach waves or something. Like, I love the pattern with this hair, y'all. The hair is thick, the lace is melted. And the lace is HD, y'all. So that's why the lace is melted, y'all. HD, y'all. HD. I love receiving HD lace. If it's HD, I already know it's gonna melt with no problems, y'all. No problems. This hair is given. This wig is a pre-cut lace, of course. It's beginner friendly. It comes with an adjustable band. You guys know closures is always 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, or 4x6. This one is a 4x7, y'all, which means I have a long part. I don't think I ever received a 4x7 wig. I didn't even know they had 4x7 wigs. So shout out to them for putting me on to the 4x7 wigs. So once again, this is a beginner friendly wig, y'all. I highly recommend pre-cut lace wigs. It's beginner friendly, no gel, no glue, no nothing. I was gonna go ahead and do baby hair, but y'all, this lace was just giving too much without the baby hair. I don't know, I'm really like loving the no baby hair look, and I've been doing it a lot lately, like really a lot. And like I said, this is HD lace, which means this match every skin tone out there, y'all. You don't gotta worry about nothing. Even if you don't put makeup on your lace, just know this is gonna melt, or frip is gonna melt. So like I said, I highly recommend this hair. 26 inches is given. It's mad thick, y'all. This hair is real thick. I don't think I've ever received 26 inches that was this thick, but yeah, I highly recommend this hair. The same exact wig will be down below if you guys are interested. Oh my god, even when I put it behind my ear, it looks mad natural. Oh, okay, yeah. This wig is it. I highly recommend this hair. The same exact link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.